Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing yet another diabetic friendly midday snack this made using chickpeas and with loads of fruits and some crunchy cucumber. A very healthy nutritious snack this. Before we go in detail about this nutritional facts and how to make this, let me first welcome everyone to Lathus Kitchen. Hey, you are visiting here first time, do not forget to subscribe. You can expect some healthy recipes and some baking from my side. And still you not subscribed, do subscribe. How to make this is some crunchy fine chopped cucumber followed with fine chopped apples, and watermelon goes in finely chopped, and 1 full cup of boiled chickpea. I boiled it with some grated ginger and some salt. Baby basil leaves as well goes in. Seasoning, pepper and salt. You can add the fruits as per your choice, but there are some fruits that diabetics need to stay away. Try to include some fiber rich fruits like apple, pears, even melons. You can take lots. As far as watermelon, there is no issues, so just be choosy in the fruits that you're adding. That's it. Add some good olive oil, extra virgin, and toss it up. Olive oil is very rich in antioxidants, rich in omega-6 and 3 fatty acids, especially monosaturated fatty acids is very good in omega. 73% you will find it in extra virgin olive oil. So drizzle some on your salads, which will also take care of your monosaturated fat part. So a very wholesome salad this. Hope you're going to give this salad recipe a try. Thank you so much for tuning into Lathus Kitchen.